the memory space ran out, and that just made me. I got it sorted now. That just made me think about how for the Rockin' the Daisies video, or like the Rockin' the Daisies rant that I was going on, I had to make a part two to that as well. So so it's two theme images that I have to make part twos for now. Two music festivals or like music performances theme images. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, everything is aligning. It's really cool. Shout out to Asian Kung Fu Generation. Came a long way. Very long way. May God bless them. Long life, all of that. Lord, we ask for your forgiveness. All of that, bro. And yeah, they're like pushing 50 now. They're like 46 upwards. They're old now and they're still kicking. Still kicking. My favorite band ever. Let me show you some footage of that live performance. I don't know if it's worth mentioning that the second band to open up for Oasis on the second day. So Oasis only had one band opening up for them on each day. So the second band was the band Otoboke Beavers, or like Otoboke Beaver, singular. Well, I don't think it's plural. Either way. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of theirs, but then I did check out like a handful of their EPs, and I like some of the songs, and I love the energy though. I love the energy. I love everything they stand for. I love the image. You know, I love how punk they are, and they've had like a lot of success too. I remember the lead guitarist was the person that Fender hit up when Fender released the Hello Kitty fuzz into the world. They hit up the lead guitarist of that band, and they had her just demo it and whatnot. So yeah, they've got some success and stuff. So I'm just pulling up the video now of Asian Kung Fu Generation opening up for Oasis. I wonder how this came to be. Like, you know what I mean? Like, are Oasis aware of how much Asian Kung Fu Generation like their music or care for them as a band? I don't know. They strike me as very disregarding and very careless. Those Oasis guys. Similar to the Beatles, which Asian Kung Fu Generation are a fan of as well. Yeah, I don't know what's up with these British guys and just being lame sometimes, in my eyes at least. So yeah, they performed Senseless, love that song. Rewrite, love that song. Solanin, love that song. Ima Iwoki Ikite, love that song. Apparently, it, yeah, like Oasis fans will tell me, well, like apparently this sonically pays homage to Oasis. I don't know if it's the drum pattern or I don't know, the key. I don't know, bro. So, and then, yeah, this is Haruka Kanata, the last